my 3-part swing. It's the simplest swing in golf. The backswing. Start the swing by rotating the chest around the spine. Keep the arms moving straight back and in front of the chest as you rotate. If you don't, your arms will get stuck way inside. Downswing. Start the downswing with a short lateral hip bump along the lower target line, not towards the ball. Then it's right knee, left toe. Drop the right shoulder and swing through the ball to the target. Very important. My 3-part swing is simply explained in my ebooks. There's also lots of practical advice that will help you play better golf. To buy my ebooks, go to golfwithshane.com. See you next time.